Fine, so we'll click on register now, then we select IT. Once you select IT, it is asking the mail ID. One moment. So copy paste is not allowed, that's the problem. So yeah, get OTP, and once we got OTP, we need to submit it here. Every time it will generate new OTP, don't fix for the same. It's not allowing to enter here. Fine, okay, you try. I think there is some restriction from my keyboard or what. I am just checking. Yeah, we got it. It's like XIGZ3. Fine, so we submit it. Okay. Then it will ask Aadhaar card. Problem here, some people try, sir, I have different mail IDs. I'll try different things, but we have Aadhaar card. So no escape there. So problem is that you have only one unique number. So definitely people will be facing trouble here. So make sure when you type the things, okay, you cannot do multiple registrations and all. Only one time, one go. First name must be your name, not your family name. First should be your name. Last name must be, okay, your family name. Middle name, if you have, suppose Hemant Kumar J, Hemant, okay, name, Hemant Kumar directly here also no problem. Surname is actually your family name or your father name, whatever it is there in your extra point. Hemant J, J is my surname actually. Hemant is my name, so my name should be first. Middle name is optional. If suppose you have Hemant Kumar J, Hemant there, Kumar here, J in the surname like that, you can put. Surname is your family name for your information. Next, date of birth, you need to okay select. But as if I put my exact date of birth, it won't allow me to participate in this because 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027 passed out batch only going to be. You are which year passed out? 2026. So 24, 25, 26, 27. All these 4-year people are eligible. Your juniors also eligible. Your third year, final years also eligible. So that's what you can see. I'm just giving okay some random. Wait, let me decrease my age. Fine, so they'll agree. We know anyhow. We'll always when you download any apps and all, we'll always click agree. So same thing you can do here. So proceed. Okay. Then it'll ask your title. Okay, Mr., Mrs. All those things you need to select. MR, MS, all. Mobile number. Institute name. Lucky thing is already there. Okay, you can select Hyderabad. There is one more college in Kerala, but we need to select Hyderabad. Qualification for you people, you put Bachelor of Technology. Bachelor of Engineering is there. That is actually Karnataka and Tamil Nadu people will select in general. Bachelor of Technology, you have to go ahead. This one, BTech. Right. Year of passing, you can select, okay, for your batch like this. Nearest TCS office, there are a lot of things, but we need to select Hyderabad. As our nearest location is Hyderabad, we need to select Hyderabad. Chennai, everything is there. And then you need to enter this captcha. So after that, it will ask you to confirm the data once again. Submit. Now, once you confirm here, going forward, you are not able to edit this. You're not able to edit this once you confirm. So before okay confirming, you have to check double whether the details are correct or not. Sir, I'll create with new one. I already mentioned Aadhaar card is attached. So creating new one will be a problem. Right. So done. And this ID you need to note down. DT. This year, which year this is? 2023. That's why DT 2023. Next year also you're eligible in the same time to apply. There you'll got, okay, if you apply first time next year, then you'll get 2024. But next year, no need to apply all this. This ID, same thing you can use for next year. Next year, final year, again, any TCS drive, these credentials only you are going to use going forward. No need of again and again creating. This one time you apply or create now, the same thing can be used for upcoming all years. Okay, but as it is you created in 2023 year, they given DT 2023 or CT 2023 also will come. For few people CT, for few people DT will come. Then after this, it's not completed. We need to click on continue. Yeah, here we have a continue. Once we continue, it will send OTP to our mail ID. Okay. Yeah, we need to enter the OTP manually. Copy paste feature is disabled. So if you do copy paste, it will take 15 minutes if you have all documents. Rough time to do registration is that around 15 minutes it will take, because one time, then final year and all it can do. Now once you enter all those, no, you can see left side application form, campus commune, okay, track my application, how to apply and all. You need to go for application form. Once you create the DTA, the DT number, Gmail ID, password you need to save somewhere, and it should be permanent thing. Going forward also you are going to use the same. That should be fixed. You need to know that all details. Now once that application form I shown you know in previous slide, when you click on application form, you will get 4 things. Personal details. In personal details, it's like your present address, permanent address, all those data will be there. Okay, and academic and work experience. In academic details, okay, you so far not given your 10th percentage, intermediate diploma percentage not entered, BTech which branch we didn't enter. We selected BTech which year you are going to pass out, but branch not selected, all those year we are going to do. First personal details. Once it is complete, it will give green tick mark. Then you have to go for academic and work experience details. Work experience we should say no, as you are fresher guys, so you can put no. That details once it complete, it will put tick mark on that. Now we'll go for one by one. These 4 forms are there: personal detail, academic and work experience, other details, form preview and declaration, all those things. Now we'll click on personal details. Yeah, anyhow we already selected Hyderabad as the thing. Name already we given, those same thing will come. Father name is the one which is to be added extra. So okay, fine. Then date of birth we cannot enable, already we fixed it. Permanent address and present address both are there above and below. If both are same, you can put yes. One time you type above, okay, that will be sufficient for below. But if it is different, okay, let's say present you are in Hyderabad, your permanent address is Vijayawada, then both you need to type. Okay, so temporary address, permanent address, all. So I kept both same. So I'm just giving the details regarding block number, all those. Okay. I'll give my details just like, okay. Fine. So same thing will be taken here, and alternate mail ID if you have. Okay, if you have any other alternate mail ID, you can give. If you don't have, you can skip. Alternate mobile number also if you have, better you can give, or else you can skip it. With this, personal details will complete. We have to click on save and continue. You not filled all the details in a mandatory format. So one thing going wrong, the net will be closed. What I did wrong is they given only flat number or block number. There I put alphabetical also. Only numbers are allowed. If anything mistake happen in between, it will trigger again to the initial. again to the initial. Okay, that's the big problem. We need to read the instructions carefully. There was a lot of people facing, your seniors also, once they start registration, you people may face the issue because of that. One mistake, then entire you need to go from first. Okay, you need to click on login, but problem is once you log in, it will go for that application form directly. Previous one, okay, but application form it will go. There you need to fill personal details and all one by one, one by one. I'm just showing that continuation part here. So yeah, because again going back, it will take time. So you can see those details here. So we selected IT, then we put your middle name, all those things, date of birth, all fine. Click submitted, confirmed. Up to here, I think we are done. Yeah. Here we fill the personal details as okay, permanent address, all those. Below which you are giving alternate numbers, phone number, mail ID, all those. Once you are done, given that email ID, alternate and okay, if you have alternate, then only, otherwise not required. Alternate mail ID and all. Next, it will put green tick. If it is exactly finished, it will put green tick. If there is error, we need to go back and again submit. What's the error in my application when I did is, it is asking flat number or black number. Only number should be entered. I again typed flat. So it's an error. So it is again reset. Okay, you need to just type the number. If it is first 101 room number or flat number, whatever it might be. So when it is clearly done, it will give green tick. Then you need to click on the next one, academic and work experience. In academics, keep in mind every time you need to go from higher end to lower. You are right now in BTech, you need to go for BTech, then intermediate diploma below 10th. Don't go in reverse order. You need to fill always in that fashion. Any company, any resume also, that's the basic format. So if you see highest qualification, you need to first select. Your highest qualification right now is BTech. You are doing BTech. Not completed, okay, because anyhow they are asking passed out here, there. You can mention. So you are right now highest qualification is BTech for you. Okay, they'll ask what is the highest qualification. This is the details. Highest qualification, graduate. Yes, you are doing graduation. That CGPA, which college, everything it lasts, which branch, everything. Then below that 12th standard, okay, which college, that's maybe college name, okay, and what is the board of your education. Here it is JNTU University now, but during your intermediate or diploma, which board it is, 10th standard, which board it is. If it is CGPA, what is the CGPA you got? Percentage means what percentage? Any other qualifications also, some people may have, okay, double degree. Some people did degree, then coming to BTech also, some people are there. Okay, if you have that any other qualification, you can add there. And next one is work experience, you need to put no. If you put yes, it will ask previous salary, how much, which company you worked, all those details. Declaration is finally, all the above details are okay, up to my knowledge, it's correct. All those, they'll already have a matter. You just need to click on that. I agree, that's it. All those I'll show now. Okay, highest qualification and institute name, you need to select yes. Highest qualification, you need to select BTech. Okay, institute name ACE Engineering College. Year of passing 2026 likewise. Save and continue. Then it will go for graduation. Graduation, okay, because sir, why course duration BTech or Bachelor of Engineering 4 years, right? But if you are a BSc student, because this is there for BSc also. So BSc students can select for 3 years. So graduation is degree also graduation only. BTech also graduation only. So here course duration 4 years, course type Bachelor of Technology, institute or university or college we need to mention. Okay, correct specialization need to select. And the graduating system, grading system is, we know, CGPA. You enter the what is the CGPA you got, save and continue. After that, that's what you can see here. Right side, yes, full time. You are doing course type, Bachelor of Engineering. No, Bachelor of Technology you need to select. Course, this is approximately you can give. Sir, I don't know when is my starting time, when is ending. Generally, it will start at July. In 2022, you people may start at your BTech in July. Okay, July or August, no problem. Ending will be generally June 2026. It is not fixed. You can edit n number of times. Application form, what are the details so far? That personal details, address, everything can be editable later also. This all can be editable. Once you got the fixed ending date, when you know is when you come to final year only, the university will release the schedule. What is your academic schedule? What is the ending date? Up to now, we cannot say. Approximately, you can take, okay, May ending is what your final year completion. Starting of your BTech will be like 2022 August 1st, something like for intermediate students. For diploma students, you can go for uh, August in 2023. Okay, diploma you joined, like, so you can select likewise. Okay, so full time, university's name or institute name, which branch, which specialization. Okay, so all those, and what is the percentage you got? So now some people have a doubt, like, so first year BTech students, okay, they have some percentage, they'll enter their first year BTech percentage. Diploma students, just now we joined, what percentage we need to enter? Okay, you just go with you expected percentage in 2-1. This is editable. Later, once you got the correct marks, you can edit. Because third year also your percentage will change, right? Again, you need to come and edit this. Before applying for any company related to TCS, you need to come to this profile and you need to edit it. It is now 6, okay. Next, maybe you may got 7 CGPA overall. Overall, when you come to third year, your percentage may increase. Change. This is editable. So no problem. Right now, diploma students can guess in 2-1 what may be your percentage expected. Okay, you can put that CGPA there. That's editable, no problem. Next, below, you can select diploma or intermediate, what it is, that 10th stand, 12th standard / diploma, both are there. Depends on respective things. You can select diploma. Okay, see, that's what 12th graduate equivalent diploma. You need to select the related one. So specialization, MPC for intermediate people, okay, relevant courses, diploma, that select their exact branch, board of education, all this PDF we already shared for you. Course type, full-time or part-time. In grading system depends on your university or what are the college. You select, save and continue. That will complete 12th or diploma. Then 10th also you need to complete. After this, again 10, a diploma people, diploma related. Okay. 10th, your hall ticket number, roll number also required. You can find that in the marks memo related to your 10th, Xerox copy there. Board of Education, course duration, all those. And course duration, many people are giving wrong. For 10th standard means, sir, from 1st standard to 10th standard. No, 10th class only. 12th grade, 12th, like, okay, intermediate, they don't say, they'll say 12th. 12th means second year, when it started, when it is ending. Intermediate second year starting and ending. Don't put for intermediate first year to intermediate second year. No, 1 year only. Your intermediate second year, 12th they mentioned, not 11th is there, right? 12th graduate means only last year. Okay, don't put for 2 years. In Accenture company also same thing. They'll mention clearly 12th. Means, okay, 12th year, 12th standard, from which year to which year, which month to which month. Generally, when ending is March month exams, starting you can put like May or June. Okay, that year. So that's intermediate, that particular year. 10th also you see. Okay, generally, exams for 10th is in March only. Starting can be May also, you can put, it's all up to you. Okay, then what is the CGPA or marks percentage? You can select all those things. Next, save and continue. You can see the tick mark will come. Once there is one more thing we need to fill is any other qualification, work experience, you need to put it as no. Work experience, you need to select as no. If you put yes, then it will show your details, lot of things you need to enter. Experience, employer ID, which company you are employee, all those things. Okay, you are anyhow ignoring that. This is all things they need to put if they are putting like a experience. Yes. Next, last one is declaration. What is the declaration is? In general, majority of the companies will not allow you people if there is education gap. 10th and intermediate between there is a gap, or intermediate and BTech between gap, or during BTech instead of 4 years, you have done 5 years or 6 years, or D10. Any gap is not entertained in other companies. Okay, but here in TCS, it will ask you details whether you have a gap or not. Okay, 10 after 10th and before 11th. After 10th standard, you may be confusing to select YPC, MPC, HCC, what. In that confusion, 1 year gap you taken, let's say. So for that, you need to mention the reason. If there is a medical problem, you need to provide the certificate. Not now or later at least. Okay, then company will, when you join the company, it will ask you the reason. Any company, when there is education gap, they'll ask you the reason. Why that gap? If there is a health issue and all, you need to provide the certificate for them. Then that gap is allowed. Majority of the companies, any reason they are not allowing. But TCS at least allowing for 2 years gap, not more than 2. Any education gap 2 years allowed in TCS. But there should be some reason also specifically if they satisfy, then okay, or else they may stop your things. So any backlogs, if it is there, yes and all. Okay, if you have any mini projects or academic projects, first BTech students, maybe you did some projects in Vihan, okay, or maybe diploma students, they did projects in diploma, you can put all those things if you have any. So they asking about, please mention details all. This is what the screenshot. Do you have any break in studies? Yes means where, then the last questions related to that. Have you done any other courses? Yes means okay, you put, or else you skip it. NPTEL courses also you can put, no problem. That's also one of the course only. Declaration, okay, when you put agree and complete, then okay, it'll ask regarding nationality, right? And languages known. It's not related to C or Python, whether you know English, Hindi, okay, Telugu related, and okay, that too they'll ask regarding okay, many of the people. Okay, see when academic completed, this is tick mark. Next one is other details. This will comes under other details. Languages known. English, okay, reading that also they'll give whether no reading, speaking, listening all. Telugu many people will say reading and speaking, writing they put off. So it's all up to you. That also allowed. Hindi also any language you can add. No need of sir here I add 5 languages, any benefit? No benefit. Okay, so it's all up to you. Okay, if you have any other one, add neuro, select the language, whether you are able to speak, then put tick mark on that. Okay, reading, writing, mother tongue. Okay, so it's mother tongue. See, this guy put English as the mother tongue. Fine, but from Bangalore. So fine, it's all up to you. You can. It's not like you can put okay. Telugu language is also there in the drop down. Tamil, everything. You can select whatever it may be. Hindi, everything is there. Whatever is feasible, you can go. It's not required. Sir, for this certificate required, no. Language is not mandatory. If you have certification, foreign language also there. French, all you can select, you can put. For the, okay, if you have any certifications, you can add here. But there is no star mark for this. Means it's optional. No need to worry. Language certification. Whenever star mark is there, fill only that. Okay, star mark not there means it's not mandatory. Sir, above one required, yes, star mark is given. Right, so make sure. Sir, I added new row. I didn't fill anything means it will show error only. You need to delete the new row. If you click on the add new row, once row is created, new row allocated, but you not selected anything, it will show error only. Okay, if you add any row, you fill it or select language, or you can delete that also later if you don't want. But you need to must and should fill this language, not at least one language, at least one you need to select. Next, achievements. Okay, achievements or scholarships and certifications. Yes, if you have any achievements, you are done. Okay, maybe you given a presentations, you may got first prize or something like okay, related to academics better. Okay, scholarships means don't think like regular scholarships. No, okay, you got suppose Amazon scholarship or internships in that note. Okay, not fees reimbursement. That's what I want to say. Certification, that's what it's not, star mark is not there, ignore. Here also achievements also star mark not there, ignore, not mandatory. If you have any notable achievements, okay, if it is any notable achievements, put it, add it there. If not, you can skip because it's not there, it's not mandatory. If you have anything to be specified, yes. So I put, see this is a, here also star is not there. For this languages they put star, for this one star is not there, it's not mandatory. Then once you done with that all, next one is upload photo and CV means resume. You need to upload the photo. So if you have already photo, passport size photo, soft copy. No sir, I have hard copy, I'll take photo in the mobile. That will be in a blur. Okay, mirror, double error will come. You don't do that. If not, okay, take the help of your friend. Stand in a background where plain thing. I saw one of your senior resume in recent one of the company when they apply, he is taken in a park, backside all trees and all. No, don't do side photo that too. Okay, so you need to okay, passport. That's why I'm telling passport size photo. Front side, you know how to look up to half of your body, so better have background plain background. Okay, you can take in a mobile. Everybody is having good camera pixels now. You can take in a mobile also. No need to waste your time to go for the shop and all. But when you take it in mobile, it will be high MB, but they'll give some restriction MB here. You need to down that, okay, compress that, because they'll give only KBs. They'll give, okay, not only here, any government job, if you want to apply, they'll give hardly 512 KB like that. Okay, it should be in KB, but general, right now, all mobiles is giving the each photo in MBs. So we need to, okay, again, change that compress we have to do using the tools we have a lot. Okay, blood group, all those, that's not a mandatory, but knowing your blood group is good. Okay, so you can, your blood group mandatory. You need to, right? Okay. This is for TCS. You need to name your name, which should be printed in TCS for card, ID card, and all smart card details. They're given dimensions also here for passport size photo 35 by 35, and size also they given 500 KB only. That's what I said, 512 roughly. 500 KB is the size allowed. Next, after this, below, you need to go for resume upload. Resume upload. Okay, at the end, we'll discuss regarding resume, what to do with that. We're given a short note, okay, some app. We can use that app to develop. We'll discuss about that at the end. So when you have a resume already, you can click on it. Preferably, upload the resume in PDF format, because you may upload in MS Word copy. That people version when downloading, they may be having different version. That alignment will disturb. So why this resume? Generally, when you apply for any company, during the interview, they'll see the same resume and they'll ask the questions. Depends on what details you mention. They'll ask, suppose you mention some project, they'll open your document, they'll ask regarding that project details. Okay, you mentioned some subjects you are strong in, they'll ask related to that. They'll download the same, what are you uploaded here. At the time of interview, panel members have access, they can download your PDF. Better to have a PDF. Doc will change the alignments. In PDF, once it is fixed, that will not be changed, right? So better to upload in PDF. Okay. So resume, fine. Still, we are not entered into TCS Codevita registration. This is only TCS portal registration. Codevita, only 5 steps that will be done. Once you are okay with all those, application form preview will be there. Preview in the sense, okay, you can see what you filled, everything. Okay, whether it is correct or not, you can check once. Once you confirmed, you can submit it. Later also, you have a still choice to edit this application form, not the basic details. Okay, this application form, your 10th or intermediate or whatever, somewhere you did some mistakes and personal details, or maybe generally our address also may change, your present address, that all can be updated later. Personal details, academics, all those can be updated, because projects you may start new, then you can add that projects, all those achievements, everything related. Then okay, once you click on yes, application form, review will be there. Once you preview and after declaration you give submit application form, that's done. You have to put date. This declaration is simple. There is I agree is there. The right side you have yes. You have to put on tick mark yes. That's it. So what is the declaration is above information is correct up to your knowledge. Likewise they'll go okay, that if you fix, you have to put date, and there will be date. You can select date among that. Calendar will be displayed. You can select. Next, submit application form. Okay, this is one step process. You are done registration only. Next step. This will be useful for any TCS recruitment going forward in third year or final year or after BTech also. Same thing is going to be utilized. So then what about TCS Codevita? Now, as everything is ready, TCS Codevita will open. We'll select the center. We'll fill your name details. We'll submit. That's it. That will be hardly 2 steps. But main thing is this. This if you don't do right now, again you need to do it in final year. Must and should you, if you want to apply for TCS recruitment, Ninja digital recruitment in final year, you must and should do all this process. If you do it now, it will be useful for you in the final year again. So yeah, once you done with that, you can track the application status. Is it submitted or not, activated or not, application, the tracking also there. Okay, here you can track my application. You can click on it. Application form PDF you can download also. If you want to apply anywhere, you can download and you can take that PDF also. It's almost resume only. You entered your details, you entered your achievements, or languages, not everything. It's like resume. That application form PDF you can download. You can apply for any other company also. using that same form. PDF can be downloaded. You have, if you see, edit is there. You submitted, right? Now it is showing edit. Whatever details you want, when you got new semester marks and all, your percentage changing, you can edit it. Okay, fine. This is all only related to TCS portal registration. Next is this. Okay, we have next 3-4 uh, slides, 3-4 steps. That's it. So here, codevita.tcsapps.com is what for Codevita? Codevita registration. Sir, what is the specialty in TCS Codevita? The specialty in TCS Codevita is, a lot of people will say it's an open book exam. Instead, I can say it's like corporate style exam. So what's the corporate style exam, sir? Let's say you people join in a company. Assume you are working in a company, okay, and you have a project related to Python, and you have some doubt related to Python. Whether you people are allowed to open the Python books and refer, is it allowed or not? In company, you are recruited to a company. You have a project related to Python. You have some doubt related to Python syntax. Whether you people are allowed to take some books and refer, allowed or not? In company, allowed, right? Same thing in this TCS Codevita exam. In TCS Codevita, 6 questions, 6 hours exam is there, right? Those who already registered, for those students, November 3rd and 4th, there is a mock exam also. Some people, those who want to register after November also, don't worry. In the portal codevita.tcsapps.com, you have sample questions is there. What type of questions they are asking, model, everything you can check, right? And here, in this Codevita, as I mentioned, it's like open book exam or maybe corporate style exam. Suppose you have started the test. First question, you have 6 programs, 6 questions. You have to understand the concept and you have to write the program. First question is regarding, let's say, area of circle or triangle, something. You don't have idea regarding area of circle, triangle, let's say. You are allowed to open the YouTube or any website in the exam only. You are allowed to open. If you want to take any book, you can go and take the book and refer that concept, understand the concept, then sit and write the program. While writing the program, again, you have a doubt in Python syntax, you can take Python book or open YouTube channel, go to the Python video, learn that syntax, then you come and type. Allowed. It's allowed. It's corporate style exam. And as I mentioned, 16 to 20 countries are participating in this TCS Codevita. This is season 11. Already 10 seasons complete. This is season 11. Next year also, you people are allowed season 12. Next year also, you are allowed season 13 also, you are allowed. First year, second year, third year, final year, all people are allowed. Last year, they given passed outs also allowed, but this year they given only for 4 years. You people can apply, right? So, and that's what I see. First, registering is one challenge. You got a link, you tried, okay. So 2 or 3 programs, it's not about 6 out of 6 completing. 2 or 3 programs completed also, you will be in the top 1000. You will be in the top 1000 in the entire world. Not in India also. 2 or 3 programs also done. So no, sir, this concept is better known to my faculty. I'll go and discuss my faculty, understand the concept, then I come and write the exam. Yes, do. No problem. Allowed. But which is not allowed? Sir, my friend executed the code, sir. Same code, sir, I am taking. He is using ABCD, sir. I'll use XYZ, sir. I'll write the code. Both will be catch in plagiarism. Both will be out. Plagiarism, strong check is there. Not with the variables. A lot of people think about variables is okay, but variables also no. Not with variables. Okay, they'll check everything. So don't think too smart, sir. I use XYZ, my friend use LMN, all same, right? No, not like that. Okay, so think smart. Okay. Next, that's not allowed. That's what I'm telling you. And what are the websites or books you people are referring? In TCS exam, there is one tab where you need to put all those references listed. What to refer? Okay, allowed. So I refer so and so website. That you website copy and add it in the references. During exam, whatever you referred, you have to add that in the references. But don't copy that. What they're asking is in corporate, not your friend code copying and all. You learn, okay, allowed. They give time, you learn, okay, then fine, you're doing your own, that's good. Learning the concept is fine. That's what corporate style exam I am saying. It's not like open book also, corporate style exam. Here, when you come to TCS Codevita Registration, you have to go and log in or register. What is the mail ID you already given? Same mail ID. In TCS portal, we registered, right? The same mail ID you put. Okay, it will ask the password. Okay, login, you put that. Okay, during registration here, it's about India, first name, last name, email policy, username. As usual, I agree all, you have to put tick. Then, very important step in this is you need to download mobile authenticator app. Mobile authenticator app should be downloaded in your mobiles, and there will be a QR code, unique QR code that will be there. One student, one code only. Other students scanning that code, okay, then problem will be there. Your data, that data will be overlapped. Your QR code you only need to scan, and don't take other friends' mobile. One mobile, one scanning only allowed. Your friend used your mobile to scan this, then you are not able to use it. Make sure about that point. Okay, you need only, suppose you have to use your own mobile only or your parents, but don't use your friends, then those people have a problem. Your finalists also facing the issue around 30 to 40 students. They other people mobiles they used and they are not able to register now. So problems will be there. So mobile authenticator app you need to download. You will get a QR code scan here. You need to scan it. After scanning, you will get a OTP. That OTP you need to enter here. Once you enter submit, then you need to select which year passed out here. This is the Microsoft Authenticator app to be downloaded. Right. So once you download, you will get OTP and all. You just do the task. Then, okay, you have to select which year you are passed out. Right. So then CT/DT reference number you need to enter. Where you got this? Initial registration once done, that basic details, they'll give DT 2023, okay, or CT 2023, so on. And nearby location you need to select for the test, Hyderabad and all. So then that CT DT number you enter. So which year passed out, nearby TCS location, our institute name, CT number, save, and then you have submit button. Then it will be taken care. Then you applied for TCS successfully. So this will be enabled as mock exam is there up to third and fourth. Okay, once it's enabled, that link will update that. Right now, temporarily link is inactive. Okay, to give the access for the people who want to, because all people are applying and all people are parallelly using the same website to take the mock test. Okay, website issues will occur. That's why they temporarily stopped registration. November 11th is the last date of registration. Okay, once it is resumed, we already have shared the links, everything in your group. Use it to apply. And this PDF also we shared. And main thing required for this is your resume. Okay, photo anyhow, people can do it within a minute, but resume required. So regarding resume, we clearly mentioned if you just uh, think we already given one app for you people, resume builder app. You people can use it and complete those tasks.